How to create your own cryptocurrency. A quick guide. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have inspired many to create their own digital currencies. If you're ready to explore this exciting field, here's a step-by-step guide condensed for a quick read. 1. Define your purpose. Start by identifying the goal of your cryptocurrency. Is it to enable faster transactions, improve privacy, or serve a niche market like gaming? Defining your purpose will guide your entire project. 2. Choose a blockchain platform. Select a platform that suits your needs. Ethereum, ideal for tokens with smart contracts ERC20 or ERC721. Binance Smart Chain BSC offers lower fees and faster transactions. Solana, great for scalable, high-throughput applications. Custom blockchain for full control but requires technical expertise. 3. Establish nodes and consensus mechanism. Decide whether your nodes will be public, private, or consortium-based. Choose a consensus mechanism like Proof of Work POW, energy-intensive but secure. Proof of Stake POS, energy-efficient, based on coin holdings. Delegated paused POS, faster with elected validators. 4. Develop your cryptocurrency. Write the smart contract for your cryptocurrency. Include name, symbol, total supply, and decimal places. Functions for transactions and tracking balances. Use Solidity for Ethereum-based tokens or other languages like Python for custom blockchains. 5. Audit and launch. Audit your code to ensure security. Once ready, launch your cryptocurrency via an ICO, token generation event, or exchange listing. 6. Build a community. Engage users through platforms like Telegram, Discord, and social media. Keep them updated and encourage feedback. 7. Comply with regulations. Understand local laws to ensure compliance, including licensing and securities regulations. 8. Maintain and adapt. Regularly update your cryptocurrency, address issues, and stay informed about market trends to keep it relevant. Conclusion: creating a cryptocurrency is challenging but rewarding. By following these steps, you can bring your idea to life and navigate the ever-evolving crypto world.